but I'm a locked door, and inside I'm a mess by someone before. And I wish that I could find a key to unlock all the things you want us to be. Help me open up and start again.